Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Pedro here. It's another beautiful, beautiful day, and it's been a minute since I came over here and I created a video for you guys, and I got the inspiration to come and share with you some very, very powerful insights that are going to help you take your happiness, your health, and success to the next level. This is the Alpha Success Network. We're going to be talking about how to control yourself. How to control yourself in the presence of obstacles, challenges, and barriers in your life. You do not want to lose your mind. You want to maintain absolute control of yourself. So I'm going to share with you a couple of insights here that I have observed in other people's lives and also in my life. So I'm looking around, and I'm noticing people experiencing obstacles and challenges in their lives, in the external world, and I'm noticing that they are losing control of themselves. They are losing their mind. They're losing their minds. As I'm watching them, I'm noticing that when they lose control of themselves, then they lose control of the situations, of the challenges, of the obstacles that are occurring in their lives. And as a result, they cannot respond effectively to obstacles that they are experiencing. Therefore, I want to drive home the message to you that having the ability to control yourself plays a significant role in your ability to achieve a high level of happiness, health, and success. In my own life, I have observed a very, very similar scenario. Luckily, I have developed some tools to help me deal with the situation of a lot of external challenges in life. So I have been observing in my own life when I'm experiencing a lot of significant challenges, just like you, right? Challenges in the business world, challenges in relationships, challenges as it pertains to the level of success that I intend to manifest, right? Challenges just trying to maneuver in this sphere that we call Earth. I have observed that there is a tendency of my mind to lose control, right? I've observed this, but I'm very, very conscious of the fact that when I'm not in control, then the external circumstances are in control. And when the external circumstances are in control, then I lose control of my life. Luckily, I have discovered some tools, and I'd like to share these tools here with you. And you will also be able to gain control of your life, right? So this morning I was in the shower. I was thinking to myself, how can I become more effective in the external world in the presence of obstacles, challenges, and barriers to my goals, my visions, my hopes, and my desires? And I came back to a very, very interesting insight. I realized that when I'm experiencing a lot of challenges in the world and I begin to lose control and I begin to lose my mind, I realize that I am reacting and responding to the external environment using my personality, using my soul. My soul and my personality can easily be influenced by external events, right? Maybe I'm having some problems with people I'm in relationships with. Maybe I'm having some problems with some businesses that I'm running, right? Maybe I'm having some problems just in the game of life. I have noticed it's very easy to get influenced by what's going on outside. But when I was in the shower this morning, I say to myself, what is the thing that should be in control? And it is this thing that I call the spirit. The spirit. The spirit at the back of you is the king, is the queen that should direct your personality, direct your soul, direct your mind, and direct your body towards your promised land of milk and honey. And if your spirit is not in control, it just simply means that you have lost connection to your spirit. And once you have lost connection to your spirit, it is close to impossible to take control of your inner realm. So for myself, like every single day, there's a moment in the morning when I always connect to my other self, right? When I'm in the shower, I remind myself of my other self, which is my spirit, right? My spirit. So this is something that I want you to bring into your life. I want you to become a little bit more conscious of a higher power that exists behind your body, behind your mind, behind your soul, or your personality. And when you gain access to this higher power, then you'll be able to control yourself more effectively in the presence of obstacles in your life. Now, I do understand that this is a higher level thing that I'm asking you to do. I'm going to give you a lower level thing that you can do to gain control of yourself. I want you to think about situations that most likely get you out of control, right? Maybe it's when you're going to work. Maybe it's when you're going to interact with your partner. I hope not. Maybe it's when you're involved in business with several people. What are the situations that are most likely to get you out of control? Before you go into those situations, I want you to prime your mind to be in a peaceful state when you're going to be in those situations. So for example, I'm involved in mentoring and coaching several people in my businesses, right? Anytime you're interacting with other people, you're interacting with other personalities, there is a possibility of conflict arising. So I always make sure that I prime my mind to be in a peaceful state before I go out into the world and interact with people. And for me, priming my mind includes meditation, and I also prime my body through yoga. I just get myself in a really, really good state. Then I go to the external world. So this message here I'm creating for you is to teach you how to control yourself. You control yourself in two ways. Number one, beginning to develop a high level of awareness that there is a deeper part of you, which I call your spirit. And your spirit, every time you connect to your spirit, that other side of you, then you become the driver of your life, because the spirit will move your soul, it will move your mind, it will move your body towards the direction that is most appropriate to helping you attain your dreams. And the other thing I want to share with you is when you're going to go out into situations whereby you're most likely to get out of control, most likely to lose your mind, then you want to make sure that you do some things in advance to prime yourself to be in a peaceful and calm state, so that when you go out into challenging situations, boom, you are ready. So that's the message, my dear friends. Learning how to control yourself is a very, very, very important skill, because every single minute of your waking life, when you're out in the world interacting with people, there's going to be external circumstances, right? Could be your finances, could be your health, could be your relationships. These are external things to you that may knock you off your balance if you are not in control. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned to the Alpha Success Network. I am going to continue sharing with you some very, very, very powerful information that you can use to take your game to the next level.